we are going to make liquid soap using fresh lemon juice. Yes, this is not the first time I'm making this. Using fresh lemon juice has a lot of benefits in your soap production, but it depends on how well you know how to use it. So, and in the course of this production, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of lemon juice in your liquid soap production. So if you are the type that reacts to chemical, or you don't want to like combine too much chemical before you make your soap, this is a video for you. This soap is not only for dishes, you can use this for your laundry. Yes, it's cleanses so well and lathers so well. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the tutorial. So we are going to need a mixing bowl, and inside the mixing bowl I'm coming in with the total quantity of water needed to make this soap. So I'll be making just 1.5 liters of this liquid soap. So if you want to double it, then you know you are going for 3 liters and you continue multiplying. So after that, I will take my lemon. Now the quantity of lemon you are going to use depends on the quantity of soap you are going to make. I'm not going to use all this lemon because I will need to like take the measurement of the juice proportional to the ratio of the chemical I am going to use. So I cut open the first one and I squeeze it out, just like you see me do in this video. Right now, for lemon has cleansing and degreasing properties. You know that lemon belongs to the citrus family. So lemon has citric acid in it, and this helps its cleansing properties. So what I have here is this calibrated cup that I will use to measure the quantity of lemon juice I need. If you don't have this, you can use syringe, just for you to get the accurate measurement. So I went ahead to measure the quantity I have here, and at least the highest calibration on that cup was 20 ml. So I was able to get like 60 ml. I squeezed just 2 out of the 3 lemons I showed you. So I won't be using the last lemon, so I will drop it. Then we'll continue with the process. So this is the last lemon juice that I'm showing you. I will set the lemon juice aside, then we'll move further. Then the next thing I'm going to measure is my baking soda. You know, I told you that most of the things you are going to need are things that you have right there at home with you. Baking soda is different from baking powder, please. This is what baking soda look like, and I'll be measuring 70 grams of baking soda. Now some people also refer to baking soda as bicarbonate of soda. Take notes, please. Don't go and buy baking powder instead of baking soda. 70 grams. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my baking soda into my water and continue to stir. So you stir only the baking soda and your water for some time before you add any other thing to it. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you get notified. Right now I am adding my lemon juice to it. Can you see the reaction between just lemon juice and baking soda? Can you see it, guys? Just my lemon juice, I am adding it into it, and can you see how bubbly it is looking? Right, this will still come down. Just keep stirring. So guys, I continue stirring. Only my lemon juice and my baking soda give me this. I've not added any other thing to it. Can you see? That is what I'm showing you. So you continue stirring, and the whole bubble will come down at some certain point. You can continue stirring, or you can just leave it to come down on its own. So the next thing now I'll add to it is my texapon. So this texapon you see here, I made it myself, and the video is right here on this channel. Now for the baking soda I added to the lemon juice, you'll be wondering, what does baking soda do in liquid soap? Baking soda has mild abrasive properties, like cleansing properties, and it is alkaline in nature. Sorry, I don't know if I remember to tell you that lemon juice is acidic in nature. So combining both together will help you to have a very good pH. I don't know, maybe you get me. And for that lemon juice and baking soda, if you combine the two together, right, they are very, very good for fabric. Like, they act as natural fabric softener. Yes, they act as natural fabric softener. So for this, I'll be needing just 150 grams of texapon. That is what you see me measuring. Sorry, the camera was not covering it, so I will shift it forward for you to see now. 150 grams of texapon is what I needed for this production. So after measuring it, I will go ahead and add it to my mixture. To my returning subscribers, I sincerely appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch and like my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. So at this point, I was not able to mix it very well in that bowl, so I had to transfer it into another bowl so that I'll be able to mix properly. So that's why you see me changing the mixing bowl, nothing more. So can you see the combination of these three now? These three can clean anything at this point, but you will not want your liquid soap to be watery. So let's just continue. So after giving it proper mixing, the next thing I am going to do is to measure my sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate and not sodium chloride, please. Sodium sulfate is industrial salt. So that is what you see me measuring here. This will act not only as thickener but also add to the cleansing properties of this soap. So after measuring, I will go ahead and be adding it to my soap gradually. Now, the quantity of sodium sulfate you will need depend on the potency of your sodium sulfate. I don't know, maybe you get me. If your sodium sulfate has been exposed to air for long, 70 gram might not do the work. So, but for me, 70 gram was able to do it. So can you see it? You can see the change in my soap, right? Can you see it? So if you add yours and it's not enough, just keep measuring and add little by little. But for my own, this was okay. So I will take some quantity of my liquid soap into a cup. I will add whatever I want to add, my color, my fragrance, then I will mix it together. Now for the color, I add it dissolved already. That's why I didn't take water out of that 1.5 liter to dissolve it separately. So I have this color I dissolved for a previous production, and for this you can just add 5 ml of fragrance. So you mix very well, then transfer it back into your main soap mixture, cover it and allow it to settle down before we continue. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you have not like this video. So guys, after like 6 to 8 hours, this is the outcome of our liquid soap. This soap lathers so well and cleanses so well. Please, you can just drop where you are watching this video from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Can you see how beautiful the soap is, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.